Assalamualaikum. My name is Faturazi Birasuli. I'm from Seksyen 1. My matrix number is CA240 and 190. Today, I would like to present about question 1 from the project Multivariable Calculus. So for the question 2, so for the first one is x over y square equals to 1, where is the a is y power of 3 equals to x. It becomes y equals to x power of 1 over 3. Then y equals to d over dx, the x power of 1 over 3. Then the 1 over 3 bring to in front, it will become 1 over 3 power times x power of negative 2 over 3. It will become 1 over 3 times square root of 3 x power of 2. That's for the number. That's for A. Next is for B, which is the question is d over dx times x over y square equals to d over dx times 1. This is a implicit differentiation. For the question B, which is y power of 3 times 1 minus by x times by 3 y power of 2 times y over y power of 6. It will equals to 0. So when we rearrange it, it will become y power of 3 minus 3x y squared times y prime equals to 0. So the y prime is equals to y power of 3 over 3x y power of 2, and the y is x power of 1 over 3. So when we multiply it, it will become x power of 1 over 3 power square bracket power of 3 over 3x bracket x power of 1 over 3 power of 2 equals to x over 3x square root of 3x power of 2. Then we move on to C, which is check that the derivatives in A and B are the same. So the part A and B is equal, which is we get the answer for the A and 1 is 1 over 3 times square root of 3x squared. So that's all from me. This is the code for the question 2 for A, B and C. So when we run this code at the MATLAB, we will get the answer, which is the derivative of y by implicit differentiation, checking if the derivative from A and B are the same. The answer will be the same, which is it will appear in the when we run it in the MATLAB. So for the A, when we solve for y and differentiation directly, which is y explicit and also y prime, we got the y explicit is x power of 1 over 3, and the y prime is a equals to differentiation of y explicit, and the display will be derivative of y by solving explicitly and display of the y prime. Next is for the B, which is use implicit differentiations. The equation is x over y power of 3 equals to 1, which is y prime will be equals to differentiation of the equation, and we will got the differentiate implicitly and solve for y prime. The display for the part B will be derivative of y by implicit differentiations, display for the y prime B. Next is C, which is check that A and B are the same or not. So when the display is checking if the derivative from A and B are the same, and the MATLAB is show that it is equal from A to B, and the MATLAB will check the equality and it will display equal because the A and B have the same answer, which is that we got in the manual calculation. So that's all from the simulation when we run it in the MATLAB. Thank you.
My name is Haifun Nasim Muzami Birizan and my numeric is CE240051. So I will do for the question 1. So let's straight to the point. So for the question 1 is x power of 2 plus y power of 3 greater than 4, do each of the following. So for the question A, find y prime by solving the equation for y and referencing directly. So first, we need to stay the y alone over there. So we need to bring the x to the right because we need to find the y prime. So over here we will get the y power of 3 equal to 4 minus x power of 2. Okay, so then we need to bring the power of 3 to the right and power of root 8. So we get the y equals to power of root 3 4 minus x power of 2. So in the other form we will get in bracket 4 minus x power of 2 in bracket power of 1 over 3. So for the y prime we will get over here, we will get the minus 2x. So for the y prime we just allocate all the equation. We will get y prime equal to y over 3 in bracket 4 minus x power of 2 power of negative 2 over 3 by times power negative 2x. So just multiply it and we get the negative 2x over 3 in bracket 4 minus x power of 2 by power of 2 over 3. So for the B, we need to find y prime by implicit differentiation. So over here is x power of 2 plus y power of 3 equals to 4. So then we just differentiate and we get 2x plus 3y power of 2 times y prime equal to 0. So y prime we will get, bring 2x and 3y power of 2 to the right. So we get y prime equals to negative 2x over 3y power of 2. So for the C question, we need to check that the derivative in A and B are the same. So over here we get the y prime equals to negative 2x over 3y power of 2, and then we just insert the y calculation, and then we get negative 2x over 3 in bracket 4 minus x power of 2 over 3 when we change the y with the calculation. And then for the y prime over here we get y prime equals to negative 2x, then we change the y over here, negative 2x over 3 in bracket power of 3 4 minus x power of 2 in bracket 2, and then we get over here equals to negative 2x over 3 in bracket 4 minus x power of 2 in bracket power of 2 over 3. So over here we will get the same answer over here. So the part A is equal to part B with equal to negative 2x over 3 in bracket 4 minus x power of 2 in bracket 2 over 3. Okay, now let's go for the coding for the question 1. So first we need to type sy and xy. So the first one is for the solve for y and differentiate directly. Then we need to y underscore explicit equal to x power of 1 over 3. So this one is solve for y. Then y underscore prime underscore a equal equals to differentiate with DLF. So it's in bracket y underscore basic comma x. So this one for the differentiate explicitly. Then we need to display for the display DISP. So we need to DISP part A derivative of y by solving explicitly. So then we need to display again by DISP y underscore prime underscore a. So then we need to go for the b. So for b we should need to use implicit differentiation. So we need to eqn equal to x over y power 3 equals 1. So this one is the original equation. Then we go for the y underscore prime underscore b equal to solve if eqn x if y x in bracket. So this one for the differentiate implicitly and solve for y. So then we need to display again. So DISP for part B for this one. So it's part B derivative of y by implicit differentiation. Then we need to display again. So this time we need to DISP again. So y underscore prime underscore b. Okay, then let's go for the question C. Then for the question C is check that A and B are the same. Is it A and B are the same? So we need to display again DISP checking and if the derivative from A and B are the same. Alright, so how to check? First we need to is, which is underscore equal simplify by underscore prime underscore a minus y underscore prime underscore b equal to 0. Alright, this one to check the equality. This secondly we need to display again, which is DISP is underscore equal. So then let's check. Press enter or click. Then here is the answer.
Good evening, Dr. Xavier. My name is Daris Fahim bin Yusrizan. My number matrix is CA240121. And today I will present to you about this multivariable project, which is the question 4. So for the question 4, the question is calculate the volume under the surface, which is z equal to 3 plus x power of 2 minus 2y over the region defined by 0 small less than x less than 1 and negative x less than y less than x. So for the solution, first we must write the equation, which is the v is equal to integrate 0 z dA. So we substitute the z, which is 3 plus x power of 2 minus 2y. Then we put the equation in the formula where we got the v is equal to integrate 0 in the bracket 3 plus x power of 2 minus 2y dA. So for the next solution is v is equal to integrate 1 to 0, integrate x to negative x. The integrate for y is integrate x to negative x, and for the x one is integrate 1 to 0. So first we need to integrate the y lah. So v is equal to integrate 1 to 0 in the bracket, which I have integrate it, so it became to 3y plus x power of 2y minus y power of 2. So why the negative 2y is missing? Because when we integrate the 2y power of 1 plus 1 and over 2, so 2 and 2 is cancelled out, so the remaining is the y power of 2 only, and outside the bracket we write x to negative x dx. So the next one is we change the value of y, which is so it's equal to integrate 1 to 0, 3 y change to x plus x power of 2 multiply by x minus x power of 2, and minus 3 bracket minus 3 multiply negative x plus x power of 2 multiply by negative x, and lastly is minus negative x power of 2 dx. So we simplified, we got the 6x plus 2x power of 2 dx. So for the last solution, we just gantikan nilai x dengan 1 dengan kosong. So jawapan terakhir kita akan dapat v is equal to 7 over 2, which is equivalent to 3.5. So that's it for the manual calculation. So we go to the simulation. So as for the simulation, we use the MATLAB software to get the answer. So the first thing first, we must type SYMS XY. So percent define the function Z. So Z is equal to 3 plus x power of 2 minus 2 star y. Then percent define the limit of integration. So x underscore lower equal to 0. Then x underscore upper equal to 1 and y underscore lower equal to negative x, and finally y equal x. Then percent compute the double integration which is volume is equal integrate int open bracket int open bracket z y lower y upper close bracket x lower x upper close bracket. For the last percent is display the result, which is DISP, display the volume under the surface. Is for the answer we get the 3.5,